Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC, a ready-to-go powerhouse that's perfect for gamers who want top-tier performance without the hassle of building their own rig. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price. This machine is driven by the Intel Core i7-14700F processor running at 2.1 GHz base clock with plenty of turbo power for demanding tasks. Combined with the GeForce RTX 5060T 16GB graphics card, you get high frame rates, stunning ray-traced visuals, and buttery smooth gameplay in all the latest AAA titles. It comes loaded with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, giving you fast, lag-free multitasking whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos. The 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD means lightning-fast boot times, near-instant load screens, and ample space for your games, apps, and media library. Connectivity is well covered with Wi-Fi ready out of the box, plus plenty of ports for your keyboard, mouse, headset, and any other peripherals you need. And of course, it's running Windows 11 Home, giving you the latest features and optimizations for gaming and productivity. The design is pure gamer eye candy, a modern case with RGB lighting that you can customize to match your setup's vibe. CyberPowerPC's cooling system also ensures that even during long gaming sessions, temperatures stay under control for consistent performance. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is ideal for gamers who want a high-performance system capable of running VR headsets, competitive esports titles, and graphically intense games without breaking a sweat. It's also a great choice for creators who need both speed and reliability. So if you're ready to level up your gaming setup with a VR-ready beast that's powerful, stylish, and future-proof, check the link below right now to grab the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR at the best discounted price before it's gone.